This was originally designed to clean our dishes, but it can do so much more than that. Do you know what it is? Well, of course you do because it's in the title, but it's Dawn Powerwash, and today we're looking at all the ways you can use it other than cleaning your dishes. Now, before we get into the uses for Dawn Powerwash, let's talk about what are the big differences between the Powerwash and the regular dish soap. Really what it comes down to is they are formulated differently. Dawn Powerwash has a higher pH. The dish soap has a more neutral pH, which is gonna be a little more gentle on your skin, which is nice if you are using it to wash dishes and your hands are soaking in that. Also, the way they are used is different. As you know, if you're gonna use it for dishes, you're going to fill the sink with water and add some drops of dish soap. With the Powerwash, you don't add it to water. That will just dilute it. You spray it directly onto the dirty dish or the greasy pan so that it can work its magic. And this is gonna work 5 times faster than this, and it works in half the time at cutting through grease and dirt and all of that. Now, I'm sure you've seen floating around the internet DIY versions to make your own Dawn Powerwash using water, rubbing alcohol, and the dish soap. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news here, but that is not Dawn Powerwash. I'm sure it is creating some sort of cleaning concoction that does work on some level, but technically it's not Dawn Powerwash because, like we've said earlier, this is formulated differently, and this has ingredients in it that are not in the dish soap and things that are gonna allow it to just work harder, faster, and better than just the dish soap alone. So again, if you make your own and it works for you, stick with it. I'm sure it is cleaning on some level, but it technically is not the same as making Dawn Powerwash. Now, let's get into all the ways that we can use this. Up first is actually one of my favorite ways to use the dish soap. Now, I don't know if did I mention this already in the beginning? The difference between the blue Dawn dish soap and some of the other colors of Dawn is that the blue Dawn is a little more concentrated, which is what makes it really good if you're gonna use it in cleaning other than dishes, and it's really good for stain removal. So the first thing is stain removal. That is how I've always used the blue Dawn dish soap. It's great for grease and oil stains. You just add a little drop to the stain, let it sit a little bit, and then you wash it as normal. Well, the same thing can be done with the Powerwash. So you could spray that to pre-treat stains before you throw them in the laundry, and it really works great at removing them. Now, this can also be used for stains on carpet or fabrics. Always test a small area first, but same idea. You spray it on there, let it sit for a little bit, and then you can wipe it up with a wet rag. Either way, both are great at stain removal. Number 2, cleaning our makeup brushes. Now, if you know, I've talked about it before, my go-to for cleaning makeup brushes is Castile soap. It's natural, it's gentle, I love that one. But in a pinch, if you didn't have that or something, you could use Dawn Powerwash, and it's actually really good because, again, Dawn Powerwash, or Dawn in general, is really good at breaking down dirt and oils. And what's on our makeup brushes? Dirt and oil from our skin, and then makeup and all of that as well. So it does actually work really well. I tested it out and was amazed. It worked very quickly. Just make sure to rinse it really well so that there's not a ton left over getting onto your skin. But yeah, it does work for cleaning makeup brushes too. Number 3 is for cleaning shoes or sneakers. This is obviously great if you have shoes that can't go in the washing machine, or maybe you don't want to deal with that hassle and you would rather just spot clean them. So I tested this out on my On Cloud sneakers that I love, but they are a blush pink, so they show all the dirt so easily. This honestly worked so well. I was very impressed. So you just spray it on there. I used a toothbrush style brush to work it in, gave it a rinse, and let it sit out in the sun to dry. Honestly, they looked brand new. It barely took me any time. It powered through the dirt and the stains. I love it. So definitely probably my new go-to for cleaning shoes. Okay, number 4 honestly shocked me, and that is stainless steel, like our appliances, our refrigerator. So if you know, because I've talked about it a lot before, I have had the hardest time finding a good stainless steel cleaner. The only one I have found that works and I love is the Wyman spray. I don't know if it's our type of stainless or what. People swear by other ones. This is the only one I like. It works incredibly. It is my favorite. But second place for me would be Dawn Powerwash. I tested this out. I had major doubts. It honestly worked so well. Not quite as good as the Wyman. I still think the Wyman is first place, but definitely better than some of the stainless steel cleaners out there that I have tried. So if you don't want to buy a stainless cleaner, or you're in a pinch and need something, Dawn Powerwash really does get it done. And then sort of along those same lines, number 5 is cleaning our stainless steel kitchen sink, or any kitchen sink this works great in. Now, typically for the kitchen sink, I use baking soda and dish soap. It's easy and simple, and it might be a little more cost effective than using the Dawn Powerwash. But where the Powerwash is nice is if you've been cleaning greasy pots and pans. You know, when you drain the water, sometimes it'll leave like a greasy residue on the sink. This will really help power through that. I mean, baking soda and dish soap would work as well, but if you already have this out handy, ready to go, it is a great sink cleaner. And then staying in the kitchen, number 6, our stoves, our ovens, our microwaves, the filters or the vents above the stove that tend to get really greasy, obviously because Dawn Powerwash, or Dawn in general, is really good at cutting through grease and oil and all that buildup. It's a powerhouse in these areas as well. And then number 7, are hard surfaces. So your backsplash, your countertops, it's safe and gentle to use on those areas as well. And then talking appliances, number 8, a small appliance, the air fryer. I get asked all the time the best way to clean an air fryer because we know that they can really get oily or there's a lot of buildup in there, so this is great. There's a lot of hacks out there for air fryers, some of which are questionable. Honestly, keep it simple. You could just spray this, wipe it down, works so well. One you might not have thought of, but number 9, glass shower doors, or honestly glass windows, any glass it would work on, but shower doors I get asked about a lot because we know soap, scum, hard water, they can really build up. Again, the ingredients in Dawn Powerwash are gonna help just sort of bust through that. Might not be my first go-to. I have some bathroom cleaners I would maybe use instead, but again, in a pinch, or if nothing else is working, give Dawn Powerwash a try. And then lastly, number 10 is gonna be outdoor use, so our grills, of course, and then patio furniture as well. It really works well to bust through buildup that maybe has been left over from winter and rain and all of that. Of course, this is good for that too. All right, and that does it. So if you have Dawn Powerwash, hopefully you will learn some more uses for it around the home. Let me know in the comments if you have a use for it that I didn't mention here. And if you don't have it, I do think it's a good thing to have on hand. Again, maybe not even for dishes. Like I said, for dishes, I use a dish soap with a little cleaner ingredients. I'll drop it in the description below. But it's a good one to have just for stubborn stains or tough messes. It's worth having in the cleaning caddy.